What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video you are going to see how to delete Snapchat bio link. So let's head over to your Snapchat application to do that. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the profile by tapping the profile icon on the top left corner, and then head over to the settings icon on the top right. In here, scroll down and you will find your public profile settings. Head over there, and here scroll down, and here go to preview your profile. Now here you can make some changes like hide some content. So if you want to hide it, or if you want to add it, you can just do it from here, or you can just hide this content from here. And if you want to mute some words, you can add some muted words, and from here you can just delete your bio. So yeah, you have to go to the edit muted words and you can just mute or delete your bio from here, because in Snapchat the bio link giving system has been updated and there's no more that specific option right here. So yeah, this is information we needed to share with you. If you got any question regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we will reach you out.